Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shardemarie, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And in today's video, we are doing my March Boxycharm unboxing. I recently just got my box in the mail, so of course I had to hop on and do a review for you guys. But before we hop into this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and thumbs up if you enjoy these type of videos. Now let's get into it. Alright guys, so let's just hop into it. I already opened up the box, so I already know what is in here. So that's why the only thing I have right now on are my eyebrows, because obviously there's some skincare in here. So the theme of this box is called Game Changer, celebrating game changers and boss babes in honor of Women's History Month. And if you don't know, now you know, March is Women's History Month. So maybe all of the items in this box are women owned. I don't know. If they're not, I do apologize, but it is what it is, okay? So the first thing that we're going to test out is this Generation Skin. This retails for $49, and these are their Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. So I've never done eye patches before, but I've always wanted to try them. And I see like the gold ones from like Peter Thomas Roth. I don't know why these people names are so hard for me to say these things. From him, there's another brand. Is it Dr. Brandt maybe? I'm not sure, but I know for sure Peter Thomas Roth, he has those gold eye patches that everyone be wearing, especially on the plane. And I've always said I was going to get some eye patches just to try them out and see what they do. And lo and behold, I got one in the box this month. So I'm so excited. So it says marine algae is a straight from the sea skincare savior, dense with vitamins, minerals, proteins, and essential fatty acids. When applied to the delicate skin around your eye, it helps firm, soothe, plump, and brighten like nothing else. If you're looking for dewier, fresher looking peepers, use these ASAP. And you're supposed to leave these on for 10 to 15 minutes under dry under eye area. So how the hell do you open these things up? Oh, here we go. Love the packaging. It's a bright blue, so it gives you that marine algae color that they're going for. And it also comes with a little spatula, so it's more sanitary, picking up your eye patches compared to just using your fingers. Okay, and it comes with this little thing here, I guess, to keep the moisture in as much as possible. And it's in this bright blue. So I'm not really sure which way is supposed to go on. Does the big part go underneath of here? And then I'm assuming that's what it is. So I don't know. I feel like I picked up two on this side. That's what I feel like. Okay, so be careful. These things are very delicate, but it's on here. So I'm gonna leave these on for the time recommended, between 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, it's been 15 minutes. So I will say, while this has been on, these are very slippery, so they were slipping and sliding all over the place. So, you know, you probably can't move but so much with these on. So right now I don't feel any firmness or anything like that, but again, it's one of these things that you constantly have to keep on using throughout the month or whatever. But all in all, I'm glad to have these, so I can't wait to include these in my new, well, not my new, but in my skincare routine. Another skincare product that we got, which is from one of my favorite brands, Friend Body. This time though, we have a brightening vitamin C mask. I'm not going to try this out because I don't want to open this up yet, because I still have another brightening mask I need to test out before I can test this one out. However, let me give you the deets on this. So this is the brightening vitamin C mask. This retails for $19.95, and this is an active brightening vitamin C mask that multitasks. It's natural and cruelty-free. It's packed with vitamin C, rich cacao plum to reveal your brightest, clearest skin. So yeah, I'm excited to test this out when I get around to it. This is what the packaging looks like, and it has a little pump on it. So yeah, I'm excited to, like I said, test this out. And after you use this, obviously you put on your SPF, just because it is a brightening serum, so you know, can have all of that going on, and you use this between 2 to 3 times a week. So that's that. And the rest of the items are either makeup or these brushes here. These are from Luxie. This is the Floral Brush Set, and this retails for $40. This is the second most expensive thing in this box, $40. However, it's so cute. You get a little small beauty blender that could be good for like under the eyes. Okay, I do feel the firmness now. I feel the firmness. And then you get a 4-piece set. So this is a eyeliner brush, a taper blending brush, an eye shading brush, and a concealer brush. So this is what you get. Another item I'm excited to test out is this Rare Beauty Always Optimist Illuminating Primer. I've heard great things about Rare Beauty in general. I've never purchased anything from them, so I'm excited to test this out. This retails for $26. So let's test this baby out. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Up close, it looks like it has some shimmer in it, which I'm assuming is where the illuminating part comes in. My face looks super shiny, so I think I use too much. So 1 pump is enough. I use like 2 pumps and a half, because the first pump, it wasn't enough coming out. And then I did a second pump and just like a little bit of a third. So yeah. My face looks very illuminating. I don't think it take away from your pores if you have big pores like I do. So I would probably put another primer over top of this, but I'm not going nowhere today. So this is what my skin is looking like with that primer. It's very illuminating. It says it has ultra fine pearls, which gives the skin a soft lit from within glow. And baby, I am glowing. And last but not least in the box, we got the Conrad, the eyeliner. Now y'all, if you grew up in my era, the 90s, early 2000s, you know all about Laguna Beach. You know all about the hills, okay? That was my show, and Lauren was my girl, okay? And I follow her on Twitter, and I'm just so happy to have something from her, because I really loved her. I watched her whole journey from high school when she went to FIDM. She was the reason why I wanted to go FIDM at first. My mom said it was too far away for her, so I went to another college, but she was the reason why I wanted to go there. I wanted to have that Laguna Beach, California type of lifestyle when I was younger. But this is, like I said, the eyeliner, and it's in the color Onyx, which is the black, and this retails for $20. So from what I did see, when you first take it out of the package and try to use it, it's not as pigmented as you think it should be. So you have to really shake this baby up first before you use it. So just FYI. Can you get out, please? Okay. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's very cute, very small. It's like in this nude pink color, similar to the color from Rare Beauty. And this is the tip here. So it is a felt tip for those who like felt tips. I don't know you guys will be able to see it. There we go. So yeah, I'm excited to test out this eyeliner along with the brushes and the beauty blender. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably something simple just because we're just testing things out. So yeah, I'm just going to speed this portion up and you guys are going to see me test these items out.
You pull up in that bench, all the pictures.
Okay guys, so we are now at the end of this video. You guys saw me test out everything and I'm gonna do a speed review on everything that I did try. So again, I didn't try the Frank Body Vitamin Mask. I will try it later on down the line. Just keep a lookout to see how I feel about this. The Gen Skin eye patches is something, again, you have to constantly keep using, but I did feel the firming like maybe 5 minutes after I rubbed in the excess in. So yeah, and using that, it actually made my concealer go on a little bit more smoother and a little bit more even compared to if I didn't use it. So I mean, I'm excited to keep trying it, so we'll see. This primer, I know everyone loves it. I don't know, maybe I shouldn't use like 2.5 pumps because it made my face so glowy, but you don't see it underneath of the makeup, so that's a good thing. But yeah, I'm excited to have it in my collection. Again, it's not a brand that I was really drawn to. I love Selena Gomez, don't get me wrong, but it just wasn't a brand that I was, you know, gravitating to. But I love the packaging. I love the nude with the rose gold. It's a beautiful packaging, so I'm excited to try this. Love this. It's not as soft as my AOA Studio beauty blenders, but I love the size of it. It's perfect to set your under eyes with powder, concealer, with whatever. You can also use this to even use cream for your bronzer or blush if you wanted to, instead of using your big poofy sponge or a brush. If you wanted to use this so it can blend in more into your skin, love this. Now, I will say I'm not a humongous fan of the brushes, maybe because this one is bent a little bit, so it could be because of the packaging. They're soft and they did what they had to do. Their brushes, I'm going to keep them because I love the the sage mint colors of it is very springy. I didn't try this one because this is an eyeliner, so I'm gonna have to just test this out off camera. But this is probably my least favorite thing out of my box, but I love it enough to, well, not love, I like it enough to keep it though. So yeah, I really truthfully though don't think these brushes are worth $40. You can get brushes from Shein, from BH Cosmetics, from Morphe for mad cheaper, I will say, but I do like it enough to keep it. And the eyeliner, I love the eyeliner. I only did a half a wing, I didn't do the full wing, but as you guys saw, it glided on so smoothly. It's super black. I believe it's supposed to be matte, I'm not sure. It looks matte to me, so if you like a matte black eyeliner and you want to splurge a little bit and, you know, support Lauren Conrad, then I highly suggest it. It's $20. And yeah, so let's see how much everything costs in the box this month. So this box retail for $154.95, and you get all of these products for only $30. Again, as I mentioned in my last previous Boxycharms, they did go up on the price from $25 to $29. You know, inflation, okay, inflation, everything in the world is going the fuck up. So yeah, they did go up in price, but I still think it's worth it because as you saw, this whole box was worth $155 and you only paying $30 for all of these things. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, as well as subscribe and turn on your bell notification to get notified when I upload my next video, whatever that may be. And I love you guys. Thank you so much for the support, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.